nandyan na kayo. Walang energy si Bading.
Hi guys. Guys, hi.
Ay? Kapansin? We're here! But first, kain muna. Guys, may share ako. Kanina, all throughout the day, parang ang ginawa namin maglipat, tapos nagpagupit pa siya, ang dami nangyari. So, last minute, gatakbo-takbo talaga siya. Pero ayan, nandito kami alive.
Yeah.
Live update. We're in Galaxy. Tika mo, I love it. I love the... Okay.
Pati na lang pinapatabi kita para makaano din ako. Ako.
Good the hood.
Sino ka dyan? Nakakainis, ibabla ko kayo. Infante. Sorry.
Lipanti po sa tubunso.
Tama yung friend namin doon, no? Nag-good morning yan.
On the way na kasi kami. Kasi
We're on the way
Bumili
na
kasi
kasi
kami
I love you. I miss you so much. I miss you so How you take care of that, huh? Ay, sorry. Meron pong pinagdadaanan yung friend namin. Ba't ka kasi dyan dumaan? Ha? Ba't ka dyan dumaan?
nagustuhan niya sa daanan ko eh. Ganda sa daanan ko.
Parang bet ko to. Nasa tamang daan ka na. Good night! So cute, man! Good morning! It's 4 a.m. Okay. Mukha pa siyang...
Probinsya.
Gawi. Ano naman ako.
Hello?
Yan, asigaso tayo ng corn.
Magkano tip dyan? Pwede bang kiss lang?
Wait lang, bakit tintin niya para hindi nasira? Hi guys!
I feel like nasa Vietnam ako.
Parang nasa Vietnam nga tayo.
Oh,
Laban
shit.
lang kapamilya.
I know you. Ade ba ba? Hi, we're here. We're in Calagua. We're buying mango shake.
Thank you po. Ang laki pala. Ati na lang tayo, baby.
How are you?
Nasid ako, baby.
Nagutom na yan siya.
Hi, what's up guys? We're here at Calaguas.
Someday the sun will shine bright again. The blue sky reflect the moment shared together. Treasures those memories we've kept forever. Someday we will find our hope again. With the sun shines, the flower blooms fine.
Tiga dito na naman kami.
Don't stop, just fly. It's fine.
Sisid tayo, sisid. Doon sa malalim-lalim. Namiss ko na, mama. Na.
Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Wishing
I love.
find a way.
Grabe.
naman, parang
Wala lang tanak ko. Wala lang to. Pag mamay-ari ko ang Calagua.
Until the sunrise.
We are on our way to somewhere. Island hopping daw eh, pero isa lang siya. Love ko tong kaibigan kong bit-bit niya ang buong garden. Nasa kanya lahat ng gumamela. Guys, we're drinking mango and banana shake. Let's taste.
Na para bang hindi niya natikman talaga kanina.
Is this banana or bango? Ang pangit. Banana. I like banana. Wait lang na. Ano? Sobrang ganda, guys. Tapos ang fine ng sand.
At some point, I started getting perceived
so pretty.
as a grown-up.
At hindi ako nakatingin. You're so pretty.
I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up. I just wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now. There are memories.
So beautiful here. Suggestion, guys, pag mag-a-island hopping kayo, magdala po kayo ng ano, kasi hindi siya hopping lang. Mag-mini trek to, oh. Di ba na kami na-inform? Pero ito ang mga galawan nila, oh.
Tama bang mag-hiking ka ng ganyan ang itsura mo?
Mali!
Hi guys, we're here at the top of the mountain.
Kakarating lang top of the mountain.
But it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish.
Hello, love. Oy, let's go.
I'm still learning how to live
Sunburn na daw ako. Meron naman ding sun, tapos na burn. That's why, sunburn. Pero kung gabi siya, tapos na suno, moonburn.
Just burdens, 'cause nothing's certain. And 2000
Wala niya sobra.
the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is I've lived a few extra days.
Hi guys, good morning. Now we're gonna have a mini trek. At lahat kami naka-white na parang may binyagan dun sa unahan. Paunahan na lang po dahil mauubusan ng Shanghai. Nandito na kami. Oh, hindi nyo nakita yung struggle ko. Oo. Yan o, mga ninang. Bababa na kami.
Bye-bye! Shout out!
Wala ko sa empanada.
Candy colored sky.
Time check.
Let it out.